And what is this? I need that voice right now that's like, bitch, what the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? Because this is, yeah, just like in my last video with all my dry shampoo. I like that white cast. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am giving you, what do we do at the end of the month? My favorites, which I feel like I really don't have a lot here. And yeah, I just use a lot of the same stuff. I don't want to talk about the same stuff all the time. But topic of conversation, I might as well just mention my hair. Shout out to my sister for doing my highlights. However, if you can kind of tell, I kind of need a fix. So I may be getting my hair fixed hopefully next month or in June because love you, Ween. No, we should have used the cap, but it's okay. I still love my hair anyways. And it's a lot more blonde because I did blonde for the third time. So I'm really blonde now. Like, hello, I'm more blonde than I was when I got my hair done. So it's like pay $250, pay like $13 and get blonde hair over time. You choose. Let's just dive right in because I have a few things here I want to share. Of my favorites this month came in my FabFitFun box, as you guys probably already watched. So I'll link that down below. Key, I still call it QUAY in my head, Australia sunglasses. I forgot the style of these, so I'll put it right here. What the style is, I have no idea, but basically they are black aviator sunglasses that say Key right here in the corner, and they have been my love ever since I got them. They are so cute and I love wearing them. They're kind of like my fuck off, don't talk to me glasses, which is great because half the time anyways I am antisocial and I don't want anyone talking to me. The only thing I hate about these kind of glasses is that the little nose things always get caught in my hair and it really irritates me, and if my hair's up then it's just a mess and I have to redo my hair and it's just so there's that. I love these a lot, and you guys probably already know if you've watched me for a long time that my dad used to wear like shades like this, and I have a $3 pair from Target and these are replacing them because they are like a lot better quality and I love them a lot, and they just, I don't know, they remind me of him, so I wear them and I love them and they're everything. So these are probably gonna be some of my go-to glasses for this summer, and I'm so excited and so happy that Key put their glasses in FabFitFun box because otherwise I wasn't about to spend $60 for them. So there's that. I had an up and down relationship with this perfume. First of all, this is the Victoria's Secret Bombshell Summer, which apparently urban legend on Instagram. So if any of there's still some pink girls in the pink community that I follow on Instagram that still love Victoria's Secret and still buy their stuff and everything, are still like hardcore, like yes, no judgment, have said that the new Victoria's Secret Bombshell Paradise is basically just summer Bombshell. So I don't know if that's true or not. Let me know. You guys know how I feel about this perfume. I have a very up and down relationship with it because the bottle is absolutely gorgeous. I love the bottle. It smells very kind of floral, kind of sandalwood, kind of musky. It's not like one of my like go-to scents, but I've been wearing it the last few weeks and on me, it's just been smelling really good. So I like it. I don't know. I've been liking it again and I almost gave this away. So I'm kind of happy that I didn't because it is just really, really nice. So it's getting me prepared for summer. So excited for summer. So excited for my next little mini vacation away. That's not gonna be till the end of June, but I'm still really excited for it when David and I go on our anniversary trip. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, I've been married almost a year. Where's the time gone? Where? And I know a lot of you guys are probably like, oh, where's the fucking wedding video, Sam? We've had some technical difficulties with the wedding video, so that hopefully will be coming by the end of the summer. So it's gonna be like throwback. Look, it's our wedding from a year ago because we suck. So moving on to some other products. This is very random, but if you find these, they're the cutest things ever. I ended up grabbing these at my Dunkin, which is like literally right 2 blocks away from me. These little Dunkin lip balms. I did buy the other ones from before, as you guys know, the pumpkin spice one and the, I forgot what the other one was called, cinnamon swirl or whatever. Those I was using quite a while in my work bag when I was taking my work bag to work and stuff. When I did have my work bag, because I kind of like decided to stop with that because it was irritating me and I hated taking a million bags. So there's that. I don't know, just something about, there goes the sun. I don't have the blinds open today because I don't feel like getting that glow, you know what I'm saying? So that's why. I do like those lip balms. I don't think they're as moisturizing, but they taste really good, even though you're not supposed to eat them. These are the Munchkin lip glosses. I posted a picture of these on Instagram. They are so adorable. They're supposed to smell like one apparently was supposed to smell like glaze and the other one's supposed to smell like something else. They both smell like glaze to me. I love them. They kind of look like a little EOS and they are kind of moisturizing, so I do like them. They smell great, easy to just take with you, and I think this little pack of them of 2 comes in a little Munchkin box, which is so cute, and it's only like $6. So if you do want to grab these at Dunkin, you're a Dunkin fan, these are definitely a huge collector's item and they are also really adorable. All right, moving on to the makeup products. I've been up and down kind of. I have been kind of struggling lately to buy setting mists and primers because I'm running low in my stockpile, and you guys know me, so I ended up going to Target today to get more. In the meantime, this is kind of the stuff I've been using, have been obsessed. This is the Pixi. This is not even a setting spray, but I guess you could use this to set your makeup. I don't know what I'm talking about. It's Saturday. It's been a long ass week, okay? This is the Pixi Skin Treats Hydrating Milky Mist, which Tati has raved about so many times. I broke down and got it, and it is so nice, although my spray is a little crooked. I love how it just like, look at that mist. Like, it's just such a nice fine mist. It's so nice to spray in your face or you put on your makeup, which I love to do in the mornings. It helps me wake up, honestly, and it just smells kind of like, it's kind of has a scent, it has a fragrance, like a flowery, florally fragrance, but if you can get past that, it's a really nice. I love the mist on it, and I feel like it just refreshes me, makes me feel nice. Happy about that. This is a youth preserving mist with hyaluronic acid and black oat Aviators. Really like it. Pixi is really nice, even though it is kind of expensive, and you can find Pixi at Target. Hear my voice if it sounds a little raspy is because obviously allergy season is back. It has come early this year, and my throat has been really scratchy and itchy. I've been coughing and sneezing even though I take my Exisal, so there's that. All right, so next, this is kind of dirty, but this is a balm. I think I've been using this for like 2 weeks too, so that's why it's like so gross. Sorry guys. This is the Wet n Wild Beauty Blender, and I absolutely love it. Holy shit, it is so good. Actually, after this video, I'm gonna end up ordering some more because I really like it. My Real Technique sponge, beauty blender, you know, everyone loves beauty blender, but this, I don't know, just the texture kind of reminds me of beauty blender. It's a little bit more firm, I feel like, than the Real Technique sponge, and it has a lot of like pores in it. I don't know if the camera's gonna be able to pick that up. It's like very porous. I like it. Has something gross on there, sorry guys, but it's just so nice at blending out my makeup. And you would think I'd use there's like this one little flat part on it. I haven't even used that yet, but I love using this just to stamp out my foundation, my concealer, and then I'll use this to blend everything out, and I'll use this little part just under my eyes and blend everything out, and it looks so good. So if you are in the market, you don't want to buy Real Techniques, or if that's a little bit too much out of your price range, Wet n Wild is a really nice one. This is only $4, so you cannot go wrong with $4. It's a really awesome fucking sponge, let me tell you. Holy crap, it is so good. Now hold on before you guys just start coming for me here, okay? I did end up buying the Jeffree Star concealer and powder. I have like okay, listen, here's kind of the deal here, which I probably will get into it, and I know this says C1, so let me explain first before I even get into my favorite concealer I've been using on the weekends. I did buy both of these. I bought multiples from Beautylish and from Jeffree Star's, from Jeffree's website. Jeffree's website, you guys know how I feel about it. The day of the launch, the friggin' site crashed. It took me half an hour to finally for my order to go through, and I didn't think it was gonna go through, so I went in Beautylish and I was able to get C1 and a couple powders, and basically now I have 2 orders and 4 of these powders coming and 3 concealers. So C1 I think I may end up giving away or giving to my sister because she's graduating soon, and I am gonna make her a really nice graduation present. So basically I ended up getting a 2 light concealer for me that I'm definitely gonna give away, and along with a powder, and maybe I will in the future do a Jeffree Star giveaway, which I kind of want to start doing giveaways again because it's been a long time. So what do you guys think about that? Let me know down below. And what would you like to win? Probably Jeffree Star, right? Jeffree Star, Jeffree, yeah, Jeffree, yeah, okay, Jeffree. Before y'all come for me, yes, his concealer's bomb from what I've heard. I've tried the powder out today. It's really great. This one's in Fair, and I do like it under my eyes. It's not a main favorite this month though because I just tried it today, but so far so good. So before anyone comes for me, this concealer's bomb, I know, and I am going to do a review of the concealer and the powder together once they come in the mail. All right, moving on. So I know we're gonna go to the enemy for a second. Sorry guys, this is the you guys remember I bought this a long time ago. I feel like I got this last spring and I never used it because it's just been stockpiled in my makeup for so long. This is the Too Faced Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer, which is super coverage in snow. It's a bomb concealer. It does get the job done, does brighten really well. I feel like I'm always gonna have just this natural creasing under my eyes, so everyone's like, oh my god, the creasing, and I'm just like, that's just under my eyes all the time, no matter how I set my concealer with powder, with a brush, with a beauty blender, it doesn't matter. I'm always gonna have like a natural crease under here, and that's just how life is for me. So there's that. I do really like this concealer a lot. If you do like Too Faced products, you do like the Born This Way collection, this is really great, and I'm sure it's really good with the foundation too, which I've been meaning to get that foundation again because I really miss it a lot. Onto another enemy. Okay, I'm kidding. This is the Beauty Blender Leveler Pore Minimizing Primer. You guys heard me talk about this in my my favorites. This is my favorites. In my haul, I do really like this from... Hello. I do really like this primer a lot. It does a really great job of blurring my pores, and it does keep my makeup on all day, which is amazing. But you guys already know how I feel about Beauty Blender at the moment, because dissing all the other brands that have come out with their own beauty sponge, and they're like, we're the original. And then their whole little like Queen campaign with their little Beauty Blender, and I'm just like, Beauty Blender, come on. If you're trying to expand and go into makeup and other beauty products in the future, putting down other brands along the way is not the way to do it. Not the way to do it, because it's just gonna turn people off. Like, I'm a little turned off, even though I love their packaging, I love their products, I love the Beauty Blender, but why do I have to spend $20 every time I want a new sponge? I have two more products. One is the PS Fuller Longer, aka the Primark mascara that I tried in my Primark trying stuff video. If I remember to link that, that will also be linked down below. I really like this mascara a lot. It's a nice comb, as you guys can see right there. The only downside is that I do poke myself in the eye with it quite a bit, so that's the only thing I really don't like about this mascara, is that I just easily like poke myself. But it's really nice. It has a nice rubbery, the wand is nice and like flexible, and it's made of rubber, so it's really easy to just get in there and get every lash, and just like, wow, like my lashes look so good. I don't really notice any flaking or it coming off my lashes during the day when I'm at work. If you have a Primark around you, this is a really nice mascara. But I feel like I said before, Primark is kind of like, as quick as they turn around with their clothes and like they sell out of one thing, then they get something brand new to replace it, you know what I mean? Like, they don't stay with the same products, at least for beauty products that I've noticed. I've never been able to find that other pink mascara I love from Primark before, but their mascaras are pretty good, so definitely go try it. And I think this is only $4 too. So the last product, which I had a feeling I was gonna love this anyway, because, you know, life, but I've been using it probably the last 2 weekends straight every day. As you guys can see my eyes, it has just been the new Sugar Rush palette. This is the eye and cheek palette, and it looks like a watermelon, which I love, obviously. Hello, welcome to my channel. That is what the inside looks like. It is so, oh, hello camera, hi. That's what the inside of the palette looks like. These are all eyeshadows, and then you get the little blush right here, which is so nice. They all blend out really well. I don't notice them getting like cakey or muddy or blending out weird on my eyes, so that's great. All the colors work amazing as well, and I really love this blush shade. Obviously, it's just perfect for summer. I feel like this is going to be the palette I take when David and I go to Misquamicut, we'll have like a night out or whatever. I feel like it's just going to be really awesome, so I'm obsessed. So if you want a nice, quick, easy little palette, I think it's good. I don't know about other people, but I think it's great, so I recommend it to you guys. I think it's gonna be great for summertime too. You could just throw on a quick eye look if you're going out, or if you want to put some blush on, you got some blush, or if you want to use like the lighter shades as a highlighter, like, hello, like, we can be versatile. We can be a versatile queen this summer, especially when it's like 90 degrees and hot outside. Like, okay, I think that is everything. I think, yeah. Wow, yeah, that is everything. That's everything. So that's everything that I have been really loving this month. I know it's not a lot, but you guys know I tend to use a lot of the same products. I work 5 days a week, 40 hours a week. It's just my life right now. But we are trying to get back to a video schedule. We're trying to get back to life. I feel like this summer I'm really gonna come back full force into YouTube, which I'm really happy about. And I'm really excited because Danielle and I are working on merch. So you guys have been probably like wondering about that. Maybe not. Maybe a lot of you are just like, Sam, we really don't care. You're like an unknown YouTuber. No one fucking cares. I care, and I'm really excited. So I think we might be working on some of that next week, and I'm really excited because Danielle is really great at graphic design. But I'm also thinking about doing a design with each one of my friends. So that also might be coming soon, which I'm really excited about. And yeah, so with that being said, I love you guys so much. Hope you have an awesome day. Subscribe if you'd like to see more of me. Like this video if you enjoyed. And turn on post notifications so you know when I post a new video. I aim for every Wednesday and Friday, and if not, then whatever day of the week it is, you better be there, okay? Okay. Oh, it was really corny. I tend to be corny. And yes, I know my hair is wicked frizzy. We're gonna fix that. But I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next... I'm gonna do it this one time. Video!